Hey everyone, Rich here. Hope you're doing well. Just dropping in with a quick video tonight because I wanted to show a feature that we discussed today and we've actually implemented and want to put out. We had a conversation about why some people are getting confused with the belt system and why people come into us saying that they don't know why things are not connecting and not working. We had a bit of a deep dive today and we came up with something that I think you'll like. Now, what used to happen is you just go over belts and connect them, and not really much would happen. You just connect the belt and that's that. But I've just quickly gone back today and we had a discussion about making this a better system. Now what happens is, and I may change this UI in future, but I've just put it together today just because I think it'll be good for everyone. When you attach a belt, you'll get a piece of UI show as well as the dot saying it's not linked by this little red icon that I've made with an X saying it's not linked. Now, when you attach it to a something, what you'll see is this is saying it's linked to the machine now when you hover over, and on the end this is not linked. When you put this onto a machine, the ghost placer will now go green, so you know the belt is linked visually. Now this comes up saying not linked, but green, it will switch to linked and linked. And now you can just do that, white to green, sorry, and then your double green, you know it's linked. Same here. Oops, place the dispenser in the wrong place. And now when you hover over, you'll see on each stage what's linked and what's not. So here you got one linked, two not linked. So if we had a lot of discussions about how we can there we go, perfect. It's a bit flaky. I'm sure we'll tighten up soon, but we think it's good enough that you can just go in and people can test this and see if it's an improvement for them. But yeah, so there we go. I think this is going to help a lot of people. You can now see green all the way, and if something's not moving on belts, then you'll be able to see why not. So hopefully this will help a lot. If this is not, I might put a visual button down here at some point just to show people. Give people a button they can turn on or off if they don't like it. But other than that, I think this is going to be a pretty good feature. Also, a couple of hotfixes coming up. Can't remember exactly what they were. Ed fixed some stuff with machines and some few belt fixes, just minor things that were frustrating people really. So they're going to go up tonight as well, and yeah, hopefully this feature will help. And what we're going to do is do more stuff like this so it becomes easier for people to see, because the one thing we can't do, and we've had a look at our game, other games of the same nature, and it seems to be that what you can't do is, and it's very hard to get this to work. It seems it would be simple, and I was like, why not? But as Ed was explaining to me today, it's not actually possible to get this, for example, link it, unlink it, and then put it straight back. This now has to be relinked. You cannot do it. So it's just the spline system that we have. If we want to do a check to see if something's there, it's very difficult because the sizes are exact, like to the pixel. But this is a good middle ground, because it means at least you can see. Now there's a visual cue to show you that it is unlinked, and if there's a red here or a red here, the item's not going to go through. So now you can see if there is an issue. Also, what Ed's going to be working on doing is updating the data log so that you will get a warning message if the item's not correct, which has not worked since the new system's been placed in, just because of how that works. Usually the item has to go all the way into the machine before registering that, but now it stops on the outside, so we have got to just do that balance, that hotfix, and we'll push it out soon as well, but that one will take a little bit longer to fix. So yeah, this should help a lot, and yeah, all the best. I'll see you soon.